Hi everybody and welcome to Module 5, Lesson 29. I can compare fractions with the same numerator using greater than, less than, or equal to. If you did yesterday's lesson with me, you also know that this is part of the worksheet from yesterday too. So we're looking at the same numerators, which is their same top number, so they're going to be equal numerators, but the denominators are not going to be equal. And then we're going to compare them using greater than, less than, or equal to. And we will use a model to reason about their size. You know me, I love my tape diagrams. They're the best way I like to draw things out. It makes it nice and equal. So it says draw two shapes on your board. I'm going to do two tape diagrams of equal size. It says partition both shapes into sixths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that would give me 6 pieces. So I partitioned and I broke each shape into 6 pieces. Partition the second shape to show double the number of units in the same hole. So then I'm going to draw an extra line in between each box. So that's going to give me double the amount. All right. What fractional unit do we have? So this top part is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this one is sixths. It's kind of hard to say because it is a fraction, so you say sixths. This one down here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have 12ths in this one. Oh, I spelled it wrong. T-W-E-L-F-T-H-S, 12ths. Now, wants me to shade in 4 units on each shape. So this one's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 shaded out in each unit. Now it wants me to label the shaded fraction. So I'm going to have 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 4 sixths on my first one. And then on the second one, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 12ths shaded in. So now it wants me to compare as a number sentence. So use greater than, less than, or equal to. So if I'm looking up here on how I shaded, which one is greater? 6, and that's the first one around. So 4 sixths is greater than 4 12ths. Same numerator, different denominator. The bigger your denominator, the smaller your pieces, because this is more you're dividing it into. So let's go on to our next example. Oops, go ahead. Oh, I went too far. Draw my shapes on your board. So again, we're going to do 2. Wow. I'm going to do a little line. There we go. 2 tape diagrams. There we go. Partition the first triangle into sevenths. Ooh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the second one into fifths. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, that's a little off. Let me redo that one. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have sevenths up here. We're going to do sevenths here and fifths here. Shade in 3 units of each rectangle. So I've got 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Whispering to your neighbor, say a sentence comparing to the fractions. Well, you don't whisper because you can't whisper to somebody there. But we have 3 sevenths compared to 3 fifths. Now we're looking at the same numerator, but our denominators are different this time. So what do we know about fractions? The bigger your denominator, the smaller your pieces. So if you look and you compare them, and even though mine are kind of wonky in how I drew them, you can see that this one is greater. So our fifths are greater because we have bigger pieces to deal with, even though the numerators are the same. So 3 sevenths is going to be less than 3 fifths. So I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. It got a little more complicated as we switch from like denominators to different denominators. But you guys can handle it. I know that.